time to sell. All of these Air Jordan 1s have gone up in price, and it's time for me to cash out. Free Air Jordan 1 Mocha giveaway. All you guys need to do is hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment down below. Let me know your size in the Air Jordan 1 Mocha. For a bonus entry, you guys can follow me on Instagram at DannyMoore2369 and DM me proof that you did everything. Don't worry, this is my personal worn pair. The winner's gonna receive a brand new dead stock pair, and make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in. This is your last chance. The winner will be picked in the next few days. This is the last video you guys can get your giveaway entries in for a free pair of Mocha 1s. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe to the channel, and good luck on a free pair of Mocha 1s. If you guys get this video up to an easy 400 likes, I'm gonna do another Air Jordan 1 giveaway next month, well, next week. So make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Today we're gonna take a look at a few $1,000s worth of Air Jordan 1s that I'm gonna be selling, and then I'm gonna explain later on in the video why I'm selling these Air Jordan 1s. Trust me, you guys are gonna wanna stick around for this entire video to find out why I'm selling these Jordan 1s and what I'm gonna be doing with the money. If you guys are interested in any sneakers, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at DannyMoore2369 and shoot me a DM. I do reply to my Instagram DMs, and I do try to comment back to you guys in the comments of my videos here on YouTube as well. So make sure you guys interact with me. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Let's jump into this straight fire Air Jordan 1 video. It's time. It is time for me to cash out. Time to sell these Jordan 1s that have all gone up in price. These Jordan 1s have actually skyrocketed. Sneakerheads, check this out. This bag by Soul Premise holds your sneakers when you're traveling. Look at that. You have actual compartments to hold your sneakers, your laptop, your clothes, everything you need inside of your bag. Soul Premise has you covered. Sneakerheads, their bags are made and designed to actually hold your sneakers. Make sure you guys check them out with the link down below in the description, and use my code DannyMoore. That's gonna give you 40% off your entire order from soulpremise.com. Their backpacks, luggage bags, duffel bags, all different types of bags, all different colors, different materials. This right here is the daily bag in white leather. I absolutely love it. Make sure you guys check out Soul Premise. Link down below. Awesome bags. They hold your sneakers. Sneakerheads, check them out. Thank you, Soul Premise, for sponsoring this video. Now let's get back to it. I need to show you guys these Air Jordan 1s that have skyrocketed in price. It's time for me to sell them and cash out. We have a decent amount of Air Jordan 1s to get through, so let's get started. I need to cash out on these Jordan 1s. I'll explain later on why. The Rebellion Air Jordan 1. I am gonna keep it personal. However, I have an extra pair right here. This is a size 9.5. I am not gonna hold on to them. I'm gonna let them go. The Rebellion Airs, you guys know what they look like. Very, very nice sneaker. I like them a lot, so I will be keeping it personal, but I do have an extra 9.5. They haven't gone up in price. In fact, they've dropped in price, but I don't think it's really worth holding on to just one extra pair. I'm gonna let them go and recoup that money. You guys will see later on why. The Rebellion Air Jordan 1, I do really like them. The X on the back, shadow colorway with the graffiti print all over it. I like them a lot, and I definitely will be keeping a pair. But yeah, extra pair. There's no point of me holding just one pair. This is another pair, just one pair that I have. I copped it for retail. It is a size 5Y. I'm gonna let these go for basically retail. The Jordan 1 mid-bred text. Once again, only letting them go because I have one pair. I do feel like they will eventually go up to easy 200 bucks, 180 to 200, but I will not stick around for it. I'll let them go for retail. I'll let them go to one of you guys for retail plus shipping if you guys want them. I don't need just one pair. I don't think one pair is really worth holding on to. I do like them. I wish they made these in men's. I think it'd be a much better release. All right, time to get into some heat. We got some heat coming up. Oh yeah, the rest of these are all heat. The rest of these are expensive. Let's get into this. I have sizes 8, 9, and 10. 8, 9, 10. Nice and easy. 3 pairs. They have not really gone up. The market's been the same. But I am going to keep a personal pair and sell the 8, 9, and 10. The Ma Maniere Air Jordan 1. These are just fire, man. I do really like them. I definitely think they will eventually go up. But yeah, I'm going to let them go and hold on to a personal, the Ma Maniere Air Jordan 1. I am looking forward to the 2s. I believe the 2s actually release tomorrow. So yeah, good luck on the Ma Maniere Air Jordan 2 release tomorrow. I cannot wait. I definitely want the 1s, 2s, and 3s. I do have the 1s in my personal. The 3s are behind me. You guys can see them on the shelf. I'm looking forward to the 2s to complete the set. We're supposed to be getting 4s apparently later on this year as well. Ma Maniere Air Jordan 1, they haven't really gone up. I do feel like they will, potentially, but I'm not going to stick around for it. Once again, it's only 3 pairs. So yeah, very, very, very fire. Underrated, I feel like, underappreciated Air Jordan 1. These don't get as much love, I think, as they really should. Not as much as the 3s, that's for sure. Now we're getting into the really crazy money expensive pairs. I have 2 pairs left. I did sell 1 pair already. I sold it for $1,900. I do have 2 more pairs that are for me to sell. I did buy these when they first came out. They've only skyrocketed. Really good investments. I'm making hundreds. I'm talking like $500 at least per pair selling them now. And it's a Travis Scott Fragment Air Jordan 1 low. I do have a personal pair you guys can see on the shelf right there. I will have my personal, continue to wear that pair. I'm gonna let go of some dead stock pairs. So I do have sizes 9.5 and 11. Dead stock, OG all. Of course, everything's authentic. These are absolutely straight fire. They skyrocketed, man. They really have skyrocketed in price. When they released, they were going for around $1,300, $1,400, and now they're up pushing near $2,000. The 9.5 is over $2,000. A very fire, expensive Air Jordan 1, but I definitely want to take that money now and recoup. It's a lot of money at the end of the day for just 1 pair, you know, of sneakers. And I have 2 pairs of these. Yeah, guys, it's a lot of money. It's thousands. All these Air Jordan 1s together are gonna equal thousands, and I'm talking thousands of dollars. And the last and final Jordan 1, wow, we showed a lot of money today, a lot of Jordan 1s. Leave a comment down below, let me know so far what's your favorite Jordan 1 in this video. And make sure you guys smash that like button, because if you guys can get this video up to 400 likes, I'm gonna do another Air Jordan 1 giveaway next month. The beginning, well, next week. So make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, make sure you guys smash that subscribe button. YouTube shows me on the back end who subscribed. So if you subscribe, I can see that you're subscribed. Make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in for a free pair of Mocha 1s. Hit that like button, comment your size, and that's it. Good luck on a free pair of Mocha 1s. Now, let's get into this final Air Jordan 1 that again is worth a lot of money. After I show you guys this final Jordan 1, make sure you guys please stick around to the end of the video so I can explain why I'm selling, why I'm cashing out on these expensive, crazy expensive Jordan 1s and what I'm going to be doing with all the money. We have a size 13. I only have 1 pair. I do have my personal pair that I will be keeping. It's actually up there. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. Yeah, it's up there in the collection. I will be keeping that pair and letting go of this pair, size 13. They are brand new, dead stock. You guys see the tissue paper. This is the Travis Scott Air Jordan 1 High. I got these back when they were around $900 to $1,000. They're at almost $2,000 now, which is crazy, nearly doubled. I bought these as an investment piece because I also got my personal pair, both of them together, and I said, hey, why not hold on to the extra pair and in a few years sell it when they actually go up in price. They've been up in price, but it's time for me to let them go. Now it's time for me to tell you guys what I'm gonna be doing with all the money that I get from selling these crazy fire expensive Air Jordan 1s. I'm gonna take this money and of course reinvest, and there's a few ways that I'm gonna be reinvesting. I want you guys to listen up. First of all, my YouTube channel. I'm gonna make the content bigger, better than ever before. It's gonna cost money to do that. That's why I'm gonna cash out on some of these Jordan 1s, take the money, put it back into content for you guys. Trust me, you're gonna wanna stick around for these upcoming videos. I'll tell you guys a video idea right now. I'll spoil it. I'm gonna go spend money. I'm thinking either $500 or even $1,000 and spend it at a sneaker keymaster for a video for you guys. I'm looking to take YouTube to the next level. I'm tired of sitting here unboxing a sneaker. It's boring. I want to take this to the next level and I need money to do it. So that's why I'm going to cash out on these Jordan 1s. I'm also going to start my own clothing brand. I'm going to have a website coming. I'm also going to have a Discord coming. I'm going to really take things up a notch and really go off. I want to hit 100,000 subscribers this year and I need to do something bigger, better, to do it. So yeah, guys, that's why I'm gonna sell all these Jordan 1s, sell some sneakers, take that money, reinvest like crazy, and blow this up. Let's do it. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure you guys enter in the free Mocha 1 giveaway. This is your last chance. Make sure you guys subscribe. I love you guys. We out.